2, it says the 4 slanting faces of the turret are to be tiled. Calculate the total area to be covered in tiles. Now, you can see this sort of shape I've got here, quite complicated looking now, right? We need to focus on this triangle face, okay? So actually drawing it out again might help. So you can see I've drawn it out again now on the next page. And I've paid attention to the fact that we know this is 10 meters. And of course we know the rod along the base is 6 meters. Obviously I haven't drawn this to scale here, okay? But we want to work out the area here, okay? Now again, how are we going to go about the area? Well, for a triangle we know it's half base times height, okay? And we've got here the base to be 6 meters. What we don't have though is the height, okay? But you know what? We can actually work out the height, okay? If you think about it, just by using Pythagoras' theorem again, because if I sort of cut that in two there, right, it's symmetrical. We've got right angle here, and it is a symmetrical triangle, right? Because you know that length is the same as that length there. Okay, that's 10 as well. So I can work out this length here, this height. But the fact that because it's symmetrical, I know that this side is going to be 3 meters, isn't it? Okay, right? It cuts that side in two. So I can use Pythagoras, can't I, to get that height there. So in the Pythagoras case here, this will be my A, that will be my B, this will be my C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A is 3. B we want to work out. And C then is my hypotenuse, my longer side, so 10 squared. So I'll have then 9 plus B squared is 100. So B squared then will take it over. So B squared is 91. So B then will be the root of 91. So my calculator, I get 9.5 meters. Okay, so now I know the height of my triangle. I can now work out the area. And again, I'll draw maybe another sketch here. I'm not interested in this 10 meters here. Okay, that doesn't help me, because that 10 meters is like a slant, isn't it? It's not a height, it's a slant. But what I am interested in is what I just worked out here, which is the perfect vertical height, 9.5. And of course, the base of my triangle, which is 6 meters. Okay, so the area will be 6 times 9.5, base times height, divide by 2. So on my calculator, I get 28.5, okay, meters squared. Now remember, it says the total area, and there's 4 of these, isn't it? So the total area will equal to 4 times 28.5. And we get 114 meters squared.